Welcome to English with Sir Tahir. Today we are going to do future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. It expresses the idea that something will occur before another action in future. It can also show that something will happen before a specific time in future. Formula of future perfect tense is subject plus will plus have plus verb की third form of verb. I will have taken the exam. Negative subject plus will plus not plus have plus third form of verb. I will not have taken the exam or I won't have taken the exam. Interrogative will plus subject plus have plus third form plus object or question mark. Will I have taken the exam? This is the interrogative. Now positive examples. I will have finished this book. You will have studied the English tenses. She will have cooked dinner. He will have arrived. We will have met Julie. It will have stopped raining. They will have left Japan. Negative. I will not have finished this book or I won't have finished this book. In short, won't have or in complete I will not have. Contraction you can say in I won't have. You will not have studied the English tenses. She will not have cooked dinner. He will not have arrived. We will not have met Julie. It will not have stopped raining. They will not have left Japan. Yes, no question. When we change it into interrogative, will comes first, then subject plus have, third form of verb plus object. Will I have finished writing this book? Will you have studied all the English verb tenses? Will she have graduated? Will he have got married? Will it have got colder? Will they have left their jobs? Now WH questions, when we change it into WH question, future perfect tense, so WH will, then subject, then have and third form of verb and object and question mark. Examples: when will I have finished writing this book? Why will you have studied all the English verb tenses by tomorrow? When will she have been here 3 weeks? Why will it have got colder by May? Thanks for watching.